Okay, so we're taking a look at example 6. This one is set up just like 5. How much principal would you have to deposit to earn $5,000 in simple interest in 10 years at a rate of 3.5%? What they did not give me this time is the principal, so I'm going to set things up much like I did on example 5. So I'm still plugging into that original formula, I equals PRT. Still have to plug into it. Okay. But when I plug into it this time, I know that I have a interest amount of $5,000. You really need to make sure that you're reading for that and not just seeing 5,000 and plugging it in as your principal. So this is going to be my $5,000 in interest. So I need to figure out how much I'm going to deposit. That's my principal. My rate is going to be 3.5%. And my time value on this one is 10 years. So I'm going to get the principal all by itself. I got to get rid of the multiplication happening with the rate and the time. So I'm actually going to divide by both of these lovely numbers here, 3.5 out of 100 and 10. Sorry, when it gets a little ugly there, 3.5 out of 100 and 10. So we can see that on this side, the time values are going to cancel and the rate is going to cancel. And so that's leaving us with the principal value right here all by itself. But the principal value, sorry, ignore my I that was next to the 5,000, is going to be the $5,000 in interest divided by the rate divided by the time, or divided by the rate and the time, if that's how you want to think about it. So I'm taking my $5,000 interest. I'm going to divide it by my lovely 3.5% interest multiplied by the time value of 10 years. So if I want to earn $5,000 in interest in 10 years, I'm going to need to deposit $14,285, and we're going to round it at 2 decimal places. 0.714 is going to round off to 71 cents. So 14,285.71. 285.71. Very lovely. And then that is going to be the principal that I earned. So if I put that amount in the bank and I let it just sit there for 10 years, I will earn a total of $5,000 extra in interest.